back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing sort of a get ready with me and trying out the Colourpop Kathleenlights collaboration Dream Street palette. I got this 2 days ago, so I haven't even had a chance to really swatch it or use it. And I also got the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade 0.0, which is another Kathleenlights Colourpop collaboration. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. So to start off, I'm going to be taking the Lubriderm Moisturizer. Mine's inside this little container because when I was traveling, I just wanted it in a smaller container. I'm pretty much running out, but I'm just going to moisturize my skin with this because it's the only thing that is helping me during these winter months. The difference between my face and my hands right now is insane. I'm going to be taking the Colourpop No Filter Concealer to my eyelids as a base for my eyeshadow. But this is way too light for me to use underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to take my little beauty sponge and I'm just going to blend that in as much as I possibly can. So now that I have you guys up close, I'm just going to go into my Shade and Light contouring palette. I'm going to be taking the middle shade, Lyric, and I'm going to use that to set my eyes. So I'm going to be taking this shade here, which is Shooting Star, and I'm going to be using that. I'm using that for my crease. I'm going to be going in with this shade here, which is Potion, and I'm going to put that onto my crease as well. I'm going to blend it in with Shooting Star. I'm going to take the color Water Bearer, which is this like really matte blue-green. I'm going to take that with like a, I guess a fluffier, more precise brush. And I'm just going to blend that into those other two colors. Maybe the blue. Oh wow. Yeah, we're just gonna pack that on top of all of this. It's a lot easier to apply with your finger. I'm gonna take another fluffy, precise brush, clean it off a little bit, and I'm gonna take Water Bearer, and I'm going to blend those two shades together. Taking my blending brush again, gotta blend that out. It's looking a little harsh on the outside. So now that I have that part of my eyes done, I'm going to put on mascara. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to apply some Ardell Wispy lashes, and then I'll be back. So I got the lashes on. I'm still trying to learn how to put on lashes because I never ever used them. This is probably my second time in the past week that I've used them. Me using it twice in the past week is a lot, just because I think the last time that I probably used them was a couple of months ago. Now we're going to be moving on to the primer. So to prime, I'm going to be using Goodbye Pores from RK by Kiss. It's called Never Touch Up Face Primer. So I have been using this, and I definitely do kind of like it. The only thing that I can complain when it comes to this is the way that it comes out. Like, it's really hard to take it out, and sometimes it just squirts out. I'm just going to take my Revlon Color Stay Combination Oily Foundation in the shade 360, which is Golden Caramel. I'm going to take that, I'm going to put a drop of Natural Beige. I definitely messed this up. Oh yeah, way too light for me. Whoops. I'm probably going to have to mix Maybelline Super Stay instead. I'm going to put a pump of Revlon, a pump of Maybelline. We'll see which side works out better for me. I feel like maybe that works better. Let's blend this. Oh, that's definitely a way better match. So for concealer, I'm going to be taking the IT Cosmetics Your Skin Better CC Cream Color Correcting Concealer. This towards the bottom portion of my triangle eye. A tiny drop, oops, of my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Light. I can put it on the inner corner of my eye to brighten up my look a little. Dipping back into the Shade and Light contour palette, I'm going to be taking that same shade Lyric that I took before, and I'm going to use that to, I can never open this, set my under eyes. Now, for the rest, I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Lock It Translucent Powder. I'm going to be taking my dampened sponge, my Pure Cosmetics one, this side of it. I'm just going to tap that all in and set my face so I can have a nice kind of matte. I'm just going to contour with, I hope this is the color Subconscious.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know.
Since my camera is possibly about to die, I'm going to go in with the Pacifica Coconut Blush, and I'm going to take the shade Beaming, which is a nude sparkly blush. So basically, I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face since my camera's about to die, so I'm going to charge it up a little bit, and then I'll come back on and I'll finish up my eyes with you guys. Now that I'm all highlighted and blushed up and stuff, I'm going to be taking my Essence Gel Liner, and I'm going to be putting that on my bottom waterline. So now pretty much the rest that I'm going to do is self-explanatory, I guess. I'm going to be taking the shades that I used, but I'm going to take the matte ones. So I'm going to take Shooting Star, Potion, Water Bearer, and I'm going to put those all and blend them in my bottom lash line. And I am going to take a little bit of Mermaid Boy on the inner part of my eye just so I can, you know, make it flow through to each other. So now that that eye is almost done, I'm going to take a very precise little brush. I'm going to take Kaleidoscope and I'm going to apply that. I'm going to mix Kaleidoscope and Sweet Dreams I'm gonna apply that on the inner corner of my eye. So I do all of that, then I take my Essence the False Lashes mascara, which I need a new one of because this one is super dried out. I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my other eye. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, set my face with my Wet n Wild Finish Matte Spray, which is like, oh, the pump. Okay, so the look is now complete. I put on the 0.0 Colourpop Satin Lipstick. I really like the way that this came out. I'm actually really obsessed with this palette. I mean, I really like blues and stuff. I just don't have any, so the fact that I have this palette now, it's just, it'll definitely take me out of my comfort zone of just using browns and really neutral tones. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you would like to, you can also hit the subscribe button so you can see some more videos from me in the future. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.